lyrics. This is great. We're actually teaching you. So this is a Charles Trenet song.
And actually, believe it or not, Charles Trenet wrote this poem when he was just 16 years old. He was riding the train in the south of France, and the poem just came to him. And then a while later, the music as well. But okay, Charles Trenet, here we go. La mer. So this was first in French before it was ever translated into what you know it, Beyond the Sea. But this is it. Just like Saint Genevieve. La mer qu'on voit danser le long des golfes clairs a des reflets d'argent. La mer, des reflets changeants sous la pluie. La mer au ciel d'été confond ses blancs moutons avec des anges si purs. La mer, bergère d'azur infinie. Vous voyez près des étangs ces grands roseaux mouillés. Vous voyez ces oiseaux blancs et ces maisons mouillées. La mer les a bercés le long des golfes clairs et d'une chanson d'amour. La mer a bercé mon cœur pour la vie. Qu'on voit danser le long des golfes clairs à des reflets d'argent. La mer, des reflets changeants sous la pluie. La mer a quick and easy fix. So we're so grateful to be here. Thank you so much for having us at Little Bohemia. In fact, one of the songs we learned today especially is La Bohème, which is where that whole concept comes from. So we'll be bringing that for you later today. So that was La Mer by Charles Trenet. I am Adèle Martin, I'm from Belgium, and this is Matthew Cox from England. So we're bringing different cultures to today, and we just love coming back here to Saint Genevieve, where we feel very much at home. So, I don't know, this might be my 7th time here for the Christmas festival, I'm not really sure. But anyway, love it. Love it here. Did we bring chocolate? No, but you know, I saw there was a really nice handy dandy chocolate box there, so there must be some nearby. They have some. They have some. Okay. All right. Now this next one is actually also by Charles Trenet. It's called Ménilmontant, and it's an ode to this little town that was just outside of Paris that he grew up in, and it's become a sort of an artsy community, kind of like this one. And it's just an ode to that, and a little bit melancholic, and remembering his childhood home and the church and the train and all that. All right, on y va.
musique, les yeux rêveurs, des tiens
next one is completely new to us. We just polished it off in time for today. I just love this. This is a Georges Brassens song. Anyone here have heard of Georges Brassens? Okay, so he's kind of a French icon, singer, songwriter, and he wrote this song for his muse, this lady from Estonia, I think. Estonia? I think so. And he called her Püppchen, which means, you know, my little doll. And so it's a kind of a love story. So he, in this story, is a dog that used to be a really nasty, barking dog, and now he's been rendered completely submissive by this doll, and who has beautiful, lovely teeth when she's happy and she's singing and dancing, but if you disobey, you see the wolf teeth come out. So it's kind of a tongue-in-cheek love song to Püppchen. So here we go. Je me suis fait tout petit. And if anyone needs to dance, I think this would be a great place, or over there. But this one makes me want to dance.
Je n'avais jamais ôté mon chapeau devant personne. Maintenant je rampe et je fais le beau quand elle me sonne. J'étais chien méchant, elle me fait manger dans sa menotte. J'avais des dents bleues, je les ai changées pour des quenottes. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui ferme les yeux quand elle la touche. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui fait maman quand on la couche. J'étais dur à cuire, elle m'a converti, la fine mouche. Et je suis tombée tout chaud, tout rôti contre sa bouche. Il y a dedans de lait quand elle sourit, quand elle chante, et dedans de l'eau quand elle est furie, qu'elle est méchante. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui ferme les yeux quand on la couche. Je me suis fait tout petit devant une poupée qui fait maman quand on la touche.
fun. His improvisations are truly improvs. It's really inspiring. Really cool. Ok, alors, on continue now, a little bit of Christmas spirit. Il est né le divin enfant, which is actually a 19th century hymn, but we've kind of spiced it up for you a little bit. And we've bossa novaized it. Yes. Hang on. À tes souhaits. Il est né le divin enfant, joué au bois, résonnait musette. Il est né le divin enfant, chantons tous son avènement. Depuis plus de 4000 ans, nous le promettaient les prophètes. Depuis plus de 4000 ans, nous attendions cet heureux temps. Il est né le divin enfant, joué au bois, résonnait musette. Il est né le divin enfant, chantons tous son avènement. Ah, qu'il est beau, qu'il est charmant, que ses grâces sont parfaites. Ah, qu'il est beau, qu'il est charmant, qu'il est beau le divin enfant. Il est né le divin enfant, joué au bois, résonnait musette. Il est né le divin enfant, chantons tous son avènement. Il est né le divin enfant, joué au bois, résonnait musette. Il est né le divin enfant, chantons tous son avènement. Il est né le divin enfant, joué au bois, résonnait musette. Il est né le divin enfant, chantons tous son avènement. Chantons tous son avènement, chantons tous. Thank you. Now it's time to plunge into the garden, winter garden. I love this song. It makes me think of Christian Dior, actually, because last year we had the opportunity of being in his house, actually, on the sea in Normandy, seeing where he was inspired for his art and his mother's rose garden. And she had built a jardin d'hiver, so a winter conservatory to house all her plants. She was just mad about flowers and was so sad in the winter that she couldn't have any. So this whole idea of a conservatory, I guess it was probably a new concept. But anyway, so I invite you to plunge into this winter garden. And we kind of are in one today, aren't we? This beautiful oasis of St. Genevieve and this beautiful shop and all these colors and nice warm feelings. Okay, let's go. Jardin d'hiver. Another bossa nova song by Henri Salvador.
de bord de mer dans mon jardin d'hiver. Je voudrais de la lumière comme en Nouvelle-Angleterre. Je veux changer d'atmosphère dans mon jardin d'hiver. Ma robe fleur sous la pluie de novembre, tes mains qui courent, je n'en peux plus de t'attendre. Les années passent, qu'il est loin là je tente, nul ne peut nous entendre. Dans mon jardin d'hiver. Je voudrais du Fred Astaire, revoir un latte coeur. Je voudrais toujours te plaire dans mon jardin d'hiver. Je veux déjeuner par terre comme au long des golfes clairs. Je veux t'embrasser par terre dans mon jardin d'hiver.
All right, this was another bossa nova. You can see I like bossa nova. This one was originally written in Portuguese, and it was translated, and it was actually featured in a film. What's it called? What's that famous film called?
Jurassic Park.
Manhã do Carnaval. Manhã do Carnaval. So carnival morning, and it's sort of like an ode to the renewal that spring brings and hope. It's Orpheus' song, and how my country was chosen to be this paradise, and there are a lot of nature imageries. It's so poetic. I guess I always choose songs that are like that, like that kind of stuff. All right, so come and travel with me. Let's go there, wherever there is for you. Thank you. I'd love to know where you went. Maybe it's an advantage not understanding the lyrics sometimes because it means you're free to imagine whatever you want. You're not constricted by what I'm saying. So, okay. This one is called Le Premier Bonheur du Jour. This was made very famous by Françoise Hardy, who's another French classic. And this is called, the first moment of happiness of the day. And again, nature analogy. The ribbon of sun that entwines my hand and caresses my shoulder. The sea breeze that's and the beach that's waiting, and the bird that is singing on the fig tree. But then, first sad moment of the day is you leave, the door closes, the car leaves, but then you come back. So that's kind of the gist. Not high drama. This one requires some, you have to be strong for this one. Okay. Okay, so challenge ourselves to do the second part in double time, okay? So I'm going to take some water. This is one note samba, but in French. Chanson sur une seule note. So you'll hear this one note repeated. So it's a challenge, you know, from the author to himself to write a love song on just one note. So let's see if we can do it.
Sur un doigt, sur une note, je t'écris cette chanson. Et plus tard, quand d'autres notes à la suite me viendront, elles seront les conséquences d'un piano de troubadour. Comme tu es la conséquence de tous mes rêves d'amour. Les gens passent trop souvent le temps à se parler jusqu'au délire pour ne rien dire. On n'a pas besoin des arts parce que de la gamme pour décrire ce qu'on désire. Il suffit d'une seule note qui se couche sous mes doigts. Je caresse cette note comme je te caresse toi. Et putain, quand d'autres notes à la suite me viendront, elles seront la conséquence d'un piano de troubadour. Sur un doigt, sur une note, je t'écris cette chanson. Et plus tard, quand d'autres notes à la suite me viendront, elles seront les conséquences d'un piano de troubadour. Comme tu es la conséquence de tous mes rêves d'amour. Les gens passent trop souvent leur temps à se parler jusqu'au délire pour ne rien dire. On n'a pas besoin des arts parce que de la gamme pour décrire ce qu'on désire. Il suffit d'une seule note qui se couche sous mes doigts. Je caresse cette note comme je te caresse toi. Et qui veut toutes les notes, ré, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Reste seul sans une note à pleurer sur son piano.
I just chose fun songs for this this occasion. All right, this next one is also really fun, and hopefully you know it. Champs-Élysées. Oui, Champs-Élysées, maybe, peut-être. Okay, so Champs-Élysées is the big boulevard that you know you can walk along in Paris. That's so iconic. And actually, there's talk of it making it completely pedestrianized. It's goes up to the Arc de Triomphe. It's really beautiful. So it's a story about I'm just walking along, open for anything, and just felt like saying hello to anyone. And then here you are, and I just feel like talking to you. And then you say, you're a musician. You're going to go play guitar with your friends, and so we go and do that all night long. And then in the morning, here we are, lovers on the street, and all the birds are singing. Okay, synopsis. There we go. It's far less romantic that way, but I want you to enjoy the story.
Aux Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Tu m'as dit, j'ai rendez-vous dans un sous-sol avec des fous qui dansent la mouille sac à la main du soir au matin. Alors je t'ai accompagné, on a chanté, on a dansé et on n'a même pas pensé à s'embrasser. Aux Champs-Élysées, papa, aux Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées.